Okay. Well, black pepper, so 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Jerk seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon. Onion powder, 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon. Mix well. One egg. Add egg to the meat. And just I'll do 2 tablespoons. Set that in the fridge to marinate for another hour, and then we'll cook. Put it in the fridge so that it's set. Okay, so I've chopped like a small onion or 1/4 of a large onion. I'm going to just add my chopped onions to my grounded meat, and just going to mix it in and then make my patties. Alright, so breadcrumbs. Roll it in a ball first, and then you flatten it. While I'm making these patties, I am warming my grill. So I'm doing it indoors, not on the outside grill. So it's on the stove top, and I have a grill. I'm just gonna set them on the grill. So I'm gonna move over to that section. on the flame to medium or low heat. And let them cook through. Cook at low temperature. Alright, so we'll do them 3 minutes and just gonna cook them. Flavor and help to finish off the cook. Okay, so I'm just doing the thermometer to see if it's the internal temperature should read 160. So anything over 160 is good. It is reading way over 160, so that means that it is done, it is cooked. Yeah, so it's all good. And I'm going to take them off now. Serve them on my bun with some coleslaw. I'm going to put a little bit of coleslaw. And a few sprigs of lettuce. And there we go. And then we're going to just top it over with our other bun, and that's our okay guys, so I've made my turkey burger, and that's what we're going to serve today, Saturday. So remember to watch, subscribe, and continue to like my videos. And have a pleasant day. Thank you for watching. Bye.